firstly, we will present to you our national foods. So, Arjan, please.
So our main national meal is called bishparmak, as you know. Bishparmak is translated like 5 fingers because in nomad times we don't use some special things like forks or spoon. We used to have use our hands to eat meals. So bishparmak prepared from meat, different types of meat. It's not like always horse meat. It's claw, sheep, different types of meat. Maybe in some regions of fish.
But we call it bishparmak.
Yeah, but it's also bishparmak. And also they have dove. It's called dayma in Kazakh language. And also sometimes also prepared with onions. And sometimes we add to bishparmak potatoes and carrots, something like that.
It's because of eating with hands you call this bishparmak.
Yes.
Like this barmak, it's 5 fingers. So when we say like it's bishparmak, not bishparmak.
Okay.
Okay, there is a khaza. It's one of the national foods of Kazakh people, also in Kazakhstan. It's really popular to eat with the bishparmak. It's the horse meat with the horse intestine, but it's really good.
Yeah, it can be like horse sausage, but it's a little bit different. But we can say it like that.
Yeah, someone says like horse sausage, but something like that.
Yeah. So, next one.
Next one is jent, as you see there. It's also Kazakh national food. It's more sweety. It's made from millet groats, and some dried, some melted butter, sugar, honey from nuts. It's like snacks, sweet, not salty, and other ingredients. And also we can cook it in a national celebration or in an ordinary life, like we eat it like snacks. And you already eaten this food. It's made of sour milk, dried sour milk. You said that it's similar for your brinza, and it's very salty.
Сухая брынза,
It's dry brinza.
And this one?
Rimshak. It calls rimshak.
Which one?
It's like a cheese. Cheese? It's salty. Yes.
Örümcek.
Not salty.
Örümcek.
Sweet.
Sweetie cheese.
It also makes from milk. Yes. And but I don't know how it makes. Why is it orange?
And also bal kaymak. Like bal kaymak translated like bal. It's
Honey.
and kaymak and sour cream. Yes.
But
This is
it should be made from the smetana, but it should be like get to the normal condensations to get this bal kaymak, and after that they add honey, or sometimes they can add some sugar if they want. It depends on people who someone adds sugar or someone adds honey. When it gets cold, you can give to guests.
With air, like a lot of people say.
Also, if you can see like the 2 types of drink. One of them is shubat. Shubat is made of camel milk. Sometimes the foreigners say it as chow, like chow. But the real name is shubat. It's made of camel milk. What about hummus?
Hummus from
Horse milk.
From horse.
Давайте именно нем.
And it's fermented.
Скажи, чуть-чуть алкоголь бывает.
like kımız is like for some Kazakhs, if you get to the right concentration, it can be like Kazakh alcohol. Yeah.
But it's not alcohol.
It's not contains alcohol.
Yeah, there is no alcohol.
But you can still like after.
Yeah. Like they are really healthy for health because they have a lot of
Probiotics.
yeah, maybe. But when the people before ancient, like our ancestor was ill, they get Shubat okumas and they get good.
Okay, camera is on you.
So be prepared.
First, introduce yourself. Who are you? Then
Don't know us.
I know, but the viewers they don't know.
So
Just
hi.
say your name.
So hi, I'm Petra.
I'm Zuzana. We are
Okay.
from Slovakia.
Yeah, and we prepared for you full menu. And for the first antipasti is this spread. It is made from brinza. It's typical Slovak sheep cheese because we had a lot of farmers in the mountains. So it's really common, this cheese, and it's only with butter and red pepper powder.
And you can eat it with bread together. Then we have this is called like treska, but it's a little bit fake fake treska because the real should be with fish. But it's really hard to prepare it in these conditions, so it's without fish.
Yeah, but we also do it like this without
Yeah,
fish.
also at home, and it contains tvarog, carrot, cucumber, but in konserva.
Pickles.
Yes, onion and eggs. Yes.
What type of fish?
Treska. And so this is our national food. It is called brinzové halušky. So it's like dumplings made from potatoes, flour, eggs, and salt. That's all. And you cook it, and then you put brinza and also smetana. And we eat it with bacon in Slovakia, but it's pork. It's like fat from pork. So
This is from beef.
from beef. Yeah,
Halal.
For Kazakh people.
yeah, and also with green onion.
Yeah, on green onion.
On the top. Yeah. Great. And
This is our dessert. It's called pishkota, banan pishkota.
What? Yeah. Can you say again?
Pishkota, banan pishkota.
What's the meaning of
Yes,
food?
because
Biscuit.
biscuit and between it's banana. So pishkota, the biscuit is called pishkota. So we prepare it when it's really easy to prepare. And so
So it's common dessert.
in Slovakia.
Yeah, and also we have Slovak beer here.
Aziz, I think.
Yeah.
Сказать, да? Я знаю лучше.
But then we have prepared some quiz for you about Slovakia, and if you will be successful and good, you can win. So also another.
And also we forgot to say that with brinzové halušky we drink kefir.
Together.
Yeah, and this is also like snack, typical Slovak, and it's from corn and
Peanuts.
yeah.
It look like Cheetos.
Cheetos.
Okay, so
Chips.
bon appétit, добру chuť.